Welcome to Sigzen Education. In this video, you will learn how to manage student admission in ERPNext. First, we'll create a student admission list. In the Awesome bar, search for Student Admission List and click on it. After that, click on Add Student Admission. Next, click on Title and enter the title. Then, select the checkbox to Publish on Website and click on Enable Admission Application. After that, click on Academic Year and insert the academic year. Next, click on Admission Start Date and select the admission start date. Then, click on Admission End Date and select the admission end date. For eligibility and details, click on Add Row, then click on Program and enter the student program. Next, click on Minimum Age and insert the minimum age. Then, click on Maximum Age and insert the maximum age. After that, click on Application Fees and insert the application fees. Finally, click on Save Student Admission. After saving, click on See on Website and you can view the student admission page on the website, including eligibility and other details. Click on Apply Now and the new student application form will appear. Click on First Name and enter the first name, then click on Last Name and enter the last name. Next, click on Student Email ID and enter the student's email address. Click on Student Mobile Number and enter the mobile number. After that, click on Gender and select the gender, then click on Blood Group and choose the appropriate blood group. Verify all the details, then click on Next. Now, click on Address Line 1 and enter the address. Click on City and enter the city name, then click on State and enter the state. After that, click on PIN code and enter the PIN code, then click on Country and enter the country name. Verify all the details again, then click on Next. After reviewing all the details, click on Submit Student Application. You will then see a confirmation that the student admission form has been submitted.